Hi, and welcome to Anmaree's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please turn on your notifications so you see whatever new content that I come up with. All right, so this is my Sarah Challenge video. Part 1 is going to be a quick video to show what I made for Sarah so far in the month of April. Sarah's my daughter. She's a massage therapist. She works in Portland, Oregon, and I have made her various outfits over the years. But last year I took the Sarah Challenge where she wanted clothes that she could use in her job, in her life and everything, and they could all fit in one giant carpet bag or duffel bag or something like that. And so we did it. Here's a link to that video over here. But this year she gave me another challenge. She said she wanted a capsule wardrobe of at least 5 looks that transformed into 10 looks that she could wear on the plane. I will show you her viral video, or my only viral video, 37,000 views right here, of her getting on a Spirit flight. Now, she is not taking Spirit to go back to America, so don't worry about that. But she wanted to be able to wear her capsule wardrobe on the plane and then have her backpack. She has a giant backpack. Would be her carry-on that she would fill with clothes that would take her through about 8 months of living away from home. All right, so I got started. I got inspired. I saw these colors when I went on our, I hosted a retreat in Jamaica, a sewing retreat. And when we went to Pablo's, one of the stores in Jamaica, I was inspired by this color palette because Sarah, I had gifted her a pair of boots that I'd gotten from my daughter-in-law that I couldn't wear here in Jamaica. And so we used it as a palette for the wardrobe. Now here they are. They're beautiful. Rose, cream, brown, black. They're lovely. And I was inspired and I was gifted fabric as well as purchasing fabric. And I made this little capsule wardrobe that I'll show you the pieces now. And I should be happy and over the moon because it's the first week of April and I still have 2 more weeks to work on it for her, but I'm not happy. Now the first one is Simplicity 9328. It's a kind of an athletic wear. I love this dress. I thought it would be great for her. And I was going to make it reversible because I find that if I get 2 thin knits, an ITY, a brush knit, whatever, as long as they're thin enough, sometimes they act as shapewear. So I had this beautiful fabric gifted to me by Kathy from Minnesota, one of my lovely subscribers who was also at the retreat. And I made that dress with her fabric on one side and this beautiful tie-dye material that my daughter's a fan of tie-dye. And I found that at Pablo's in Montego Bay. So it is a beautiful piece. I will show my daughter wearing them over here. Alrighty, so that piece is beautiful. I love it, and I'm still not happy. Now my next piece was this Simplicity 8000 blouse that I use a lot. It has a crisscross. It's 3 pieces, back, front, and sleeve. All right, super easy to make, 97 cents. I bought this at Walmart not a long time ago, so it's 97 cents because it's a singular piece. Let me see, it was, oh, I don't know what year it is, but at least it was at least 5 years ago. Anyway, 97 cents. And I combined the tie-dye with the floral on this blouse. It's super cute on her. I will show it to you after I show you the skirt. Now this is the skirt. It is the print on one side, the brush knit print on one side, and a cafe au lait scuba on the other side. I got the scuba fabric at Pablo's in Montego Bay. Now, let me show you them all together. This pattern is the Celestial pattern by So Have 7, and it is the skirt, and I shortened the skirt so that it could be more spring-like and more commuter-friendly when she was walking around the city. Okay, so let me show you the last piece. All right, so my last piece that I made for her is Vogue 1735. As you know, this is one of my favorite patterns. I was going to make it as a duster, but I ended up making it as a double-sided dress. So let me show you how it came out. I made it in this beautiful knit fabric that I got from, I believe I got this in Pablo's in Montego Bay as well. It is a beautiful faux boutique. It's an ITY. And on the other side, more of that scuba. And I love this placement of this catch here. It's kind of edgy. I will show you her wearing it over here. And then there's the reverse side, which I made the skirt light so the dress wouldn't be too heavy, with this beautiful closet core print that my daughter donated to the cause. So, as you can see, I love all the colors together. She looks gorgeous in it. It's not spring, summer, y'all. It's fall. The weight of the fabric is perfect for fall. She will be there in the fall, but the challenge was for right now, for spring and summer. So I still have 2 weeks left. So because I have 2 weeks left, I think I have enough time to hit this one out of the park. So I am not going to use this as my palette, or maybe I will if I find enough pinks and creams. But my girl is hard on clothes. I mean, when she gives you a massage, you get a massage. She's hard on clothes. So I'm going to rethink it. I'm going to start fresh Monday morning. I still have time. It's 5 things. They have to work together. I'm going to work on it. All right, I'll keep you posted. So this is part 1, and hopefully part 2, I will have solved the problem. All right, you take care and keep sewing. Bye.